There are so many opportunities for DCs today to have spectacular practices. More than ever before, people are tired of mindless overconsumption and searching for a more meaningful quality of life, but yet there are so many DCs that have honest practices that don't reflect their true potential, talent, or ability. It's not a simple matter of technique or philosophy or your love for chiropractic. Nobody went through all the effort, the expense, and the time of chiropractic college just to pay the bills and get by. You were at one time excited and ambitious and inspired about the chiropractic message, but slowly and invisibly 4 factors have created a hidden barrier preventing you from expressing your true potential. All DCs say they want to increase their practice, but you can't fix what you can't see. What if you could understand some of these interferences? Now that you have seen how communication skills impact your office, let's look at the second factor that's holding you back. Without educating your patients, how are they supposed to understand chiropractic and utilize it as a lifestyle? You are doing something to a person who doesn't know anything about the development, restoration, or preservation of health. They are only in it to have their immediate needs met. Face the facts. People know almost nothing about what chiropractic is really all about. For the rest of your practice days, you are going to be judged solely on how the patient feels. This would be like going to see the dentist only when your teeth hurt, when actually prevention and maintenance is the key to a healthy mouth. They will never get chiropractic and will force you to comply with their wishes of short-term, last resort, pain relief only care. This will wear down even the most enthusiastic DC. You will also have to answer the same questions regardless of years in practice because this doesn't get better with time. Remember, all of your frustrations with practice members stem from their lack of understanding. By not having a complete patient education system in your office, you are contributing to that lack of understanding. You are part of the problem, not part of the solution. But you say, big deal if I don't educate my patients. My only job is to make them feel better, and there's no penalty or consequence in that. But there is, really. You can't see it because it remains hidden to you, but just because you're not aware of it, don't think it isn't ruining your practice. When you don't have a complete system of patient education in your office, you will feel the effects of this on a daily basis during the report of findings, when you talk recommendations, money, and they will always retort with, I'll have to ask my spouse, or does my insurance cover this? Or perhaps the most famous one of them all, I can't afford it. Without a complete patient education system, here are just some of the hidden consequences you must endure. Your patients will resist you every step of the way, whether it's recommendations, fees, or referrals. They will remain closed-minded to any new concept or idea about health. You must adapt to their view of chiropractic, and this is where you lose your integrity. Patient dropout rate becomes a way of life. You are spending more time recalling departed patients than serving patients. If you are unwilling to share what you know to be true about chiropractic with people, how will their idea of health change? Condition-based care will not change their idea of health. We've been doing this for over 118 years with only 5% of the population participating on some level. Wellness, children, and ongoing care are nowhere on their list of options. Most DCs mistakenly place all of their emphasis on how a patient feels. But by doing this, they are actually strengthening the patient's belief in chiropractic being only good for pain. Under this antique model, if their symptoms leave, they leave. If you are living under this sword of frustration, practice sure is not a lot of fun. Without a complete system of patient education, you can't have the practice of your dreams, period.